So hello and as always, welcome back to Learning. I'm used to many of you have been asking me since you've just bought the actual Apple Watch how to actually set the actual wallpaper. So we're going to go straight to it. Basically, if you press the actual wallpaper and you scroll through, here you can see all the actual different, let's say, wallpapers we've got. And if you go to the right hand side, here you'll see it says, I've got a few. There, new. So if you click new, here you can see you can add new faces. Health and fitness, tool watch, data rich, Apple Watch Ultra, bold. So let's say we want bold. You add, for instance, this one. You click add, and here you can edit both the numerals as well as the actual style, the color. Here you can see you can edit all the actual different wallpapers as you see fit. And then once you've done it, you just click on it and you're ready to go, and you've got your new edit. You can add as many as you want, and then you can scroll through them, okay? So as always, if you've got any questions, just let me know in the comments, and thank you very much for watching.